Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see Orgel or correlation diagrams for DN electronic configurations of transitional metal complexes. Orgel diagram use microterms to study various atomic spectral lines of transitional metal complexes. Let us start from the electronic configurations. I divided these electronic configurations into three columns: D1 and D9, D4 and D6, D5 and D10, D2 and D8 and D3 and D7 electronic configurations. Let us see D1 and D9. The term is 2D. For D4 and D6, the term is 3D. For D5, the term is 6S. For D10, the term is 1S. For D2 and D8, the ground energy term is 3F and higher energy term is 3P. For D3 and D7, ground energy term is 4F and higher energy term is 4P. I am writing this 3F and 3P, 4F and 4P in general as NF and NP. 6S and 1S I am writing in general as NS. 2D and 3D I am writing in general as ND. For here this ND term splits into two microterms, NT2G and NEG. NS term will give only one microterm, that is Na1G. Here NF term splits into three microterms, NP term give only one microterm, that is NT1G. NF term giving Na2G, NT1G and NT2G. I am writing these microterms G in brackets because these microterms, if it for tetrahedral, G is dropped. If it is for octahedral, the G is retained in microterm notation. That's why I am writing this G in bracket. Let us see the electronic configurations with respect to tetrahedral and octahedral. D1 and D6 tetrahedral, D4 and D9 octahedral form the left hand side of the ND Orgel diagram. D1 and D6 octahedral, D4 and D9 tetrahedral form the right hand side of the ND Orgel diagram. Here D5 whether it is tetrahedral or octahedral, D10 whether it is tetrahedral or octahedral, this term, one term, NS term giving only one microterm, that is Na1G. That's why no Orgel diagram here. For D2 and D7 tetrahedral, D3 and D8 octahedral forms the left hand side of the NF and NP Orgel diagram. For D2 and D7 octahedral, D3 and D8 tetrahedral forms the right hand side of the NF and NP Orgel diagram. Let us see here ND term splits into two microterms, NT2G and NEG. Here NS term splits into only one microterm, that is Na1G. Here this NF and NP term splits into NF term into three microterms and NP term gives only one microterm. Here NT1G microterm, here also NT1G microterm is there. These two are arising from different terms. This is arising from the F term, that's why I have written it in bracket F, arising from F term. Here NT1G microterm is arising from P, that's why I have written it in P, in brackets, arising from P term. Let us see the left hand side and right hand side of the Orgel diagrams. In case of ND Orgel diagram, left hand side of the ND Orgel diagram, the lower energy is NEG and higher energy microterm is NT2G. For right hand side of the ND Orgel diagram, it is reverse of the left hand side. the lower energy microterm is Nt2G and higher energy microterm is Neg. Here no oracle diagram. For here left hand side of the NF and NP oracle diagram, the lower energy microterm is Na2G, after that Nt2G, after that Nt1G arising from F term, Nt1G arising from P term. For right hand side of the NF and NP oracle diagram, Nt1G arising from F term, lower energy, after that Nt2G, after that Nt1GP arising from P term, after that the higher energy term microterm is Na2G. This forms the right hand side of the NF and NP oracle diagram. This is NF and NP oracle diagram. Thank you.